Yo, what is good right now? Today was crazy. Oh my god. First we got Bruno Mars and Lady Gaga, and now we got Bruno Mars and Rose from Blackpink. Oh my god, what is going on? Real quick before we start, this is a request from my boss. Oh, future boss, Sir J. I hope you like my reaction video about this APT by Bruno Mars and Rose from Blackpink. I have nothing to say. I'm so excited to do this. Let's go.
창이가 좋아하는 랜덤 게임 게임 스타트. 아파트
Oh, wait. I think I got this feeling, bro. Young. Hey, Mickey, you so fun, you blow my mind. Go, Mickey. Hey, go, Mickey. Hey. I don't know if I'm the only one who knowledge that. I like the way they bang their head like that. Like, the vibe, bro.
Kissy face, sent to your phone, but I'm trying to kiss your lips for real. Red hearts, that's what I'm on, yeah. Come give me something I can feel. Don't you want me like
The vibe look like when you were in high school and there's a sport festival like that, and your team needs to make a jingle or a cheer. Like, it's like that. Not,
I want you, baby. Don't you need me like I need you now? See tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta
Oh my god, I know what's happening to me, but I feel so jealous, man. The way Rose had Bruno or something like that. I wish I was Bruno
do
Mars.
is just meet me at the
What the man, yo! The way they move like that. Oh my god, it's amazing, bro. What is APT? APT? I think is that a apartment in Korea?
It's whatever you like. Turn this opposite into a club. I'm talking drink, dance, smoke, freak, party all night. Come back, girl, what's up?
Man, yo! I didn't expect this vibe, bro. No wonder why this music is trend literally now in TikTok. The way the vibe is super 101%, bro. It's amazing. Almost perfect. No, it's perfect.
Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but
Yo! Yo! Oh my god. Did you see that? Rose just kissed Bruno Mars, man. Oh, I'm so jealous right now. I hope I'm Bruno Mars. My god.
tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the.
I like them. I like the animation though. It's like a cartoon. It's perfect as well.
Hey, so now you know the game. Are you ready? Cause I'm coming to get you. Hold on, I'm on my way.
It's amazing, bro.
I'm on my way.
The vibe though, super 101%, bro. It's amazing. Imagine you're having a bad days and you suddenly go to TikTok, Facebook, or YouTube and just accidentally watch this video. Oh my god, your bad mood gonna turn to a good mood, bro.
Yeah. I'm on my way.
Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the.
Just meet me at the Just meet me at Just meet me
Yo, this is fire, bro. Bro, my God, I don't know what I'm going to say, bro. This video, my God. I think it's over 100%, bro. It's perfect, as so perfect. I'm really speechless, bro. Um, I like the way they sung it and the harmony, bro. When the Bruno Mars hit the female key, it's perfect. It suit them well. So that's all. um, I think I'm gonna watch this again later. So that's all. Bye bye, Sir J.